Tankless water heaters like this are a compact, energy-efficient way to supply hot water to your home. And they're a really compelling story because they only heat hot water when you need it. And that means you're going to save quite a lot on your hot water heating bill. Installing a tankless water heater involves many local building codes and safety considerations, so it should only be done by a licensed professional plumber. The first step is to turn off the gas and the water supply. If you're replacing a standard tank-type water heater, get a hose, attach it to the drain, and drain the tank. Open a hot water faucet upstairs. Then, disconnect the gas and the water lines and the exhaust vent. Once it's empty and completely disconnected, the tank can be removed. Be sure to check with your local sanitation or recycling company for information on how to dispose of your tank properly. The new tankless water heater should be installed in a location that will allow it to vent to the outside. It can no longer go into the chimney. The installer must follow local codes and allow for a minimum distances from windows, doors, and other appliances. Because a tankless water heater needs more heating input for a shorter period of time, it may need to have the gas line upsized. Once the heater is mounted on the wall, the new copper piping for the cold and hot water lines can be connected with threaded fittings, soldered joints, or the professional pressing tool that makes a permanent crimped connection. The plumber will also have to install a temperature and pressure relief valve, an expansion tank, and a condensate drain line. Cut the hole for the vent pipe with a hole saw and connect the PVC or plastic vent pipes using approved cleaner and glue. Apply it to both the outside of the pipe and the inside of the fitting. Turn on the water supply and open a hot water faucet upstairs to full hot to purge air and burp the pipes. Then shut off the faucet again, plug in the power cord, and open the gas valve. Of course, be sure to follow any other specific installation procedures specified by the manufacturer or your local plumbing inspector. Once your new tankless water heater is up and running, you'll have unlimited hot water and savings in no time.